What's going on, YouTube? Jet Fuel EDC here. Tonight I got a little unboxing for you, or unpackaging. A couple bubble mailers, nonetheless. Got some new products, however you want to say it. No boxes, bubble mailers, opening. So this week so far, I've been carrying the Spyderco Sage 3. Pretty cool little knife. Let's get into the unboxing. So the first bubble mailer here is from Wicked Knots Paracord, and I've been watching this guy, and he makes some crazy good looking beads and lanyards and just some phenomenal work. So I wanted to give him a shot. I noticed that he does a lot of microtech beads, you know, that are lanyards that will you can easily put on a microtech. He uses real thin paracord, so wanted to give him a shot, see what all the hype was about, see how well his stuff is. So let's open it up, see what we got in here. I think I just cut an invoice. Let's go this route. Make sure there's nothing left in there. Nope. Yeah, there it is. Wicked Knots Paracord. Oh, I just kind of gave my stuff away here. Wicked Knots Paracord Lanyards. It's a cool little sticker. You get this cool note from him. Thank you for choosing Wicked Knots for your paracord needs. My goal is to give you the absolute best service and product possible. I strive to receive your 100% satisfaction, so your feedback is extremely important to me. I fully guarantee my work, so if for any reason you are not completely satisfied with your items, please let me know, and I will do whatever is necessary to resolve the issue. Yeah, it's pretty cool. As you can see, the owner signed it. Talked to him a few times, you know, in some forum or on Messenger and a couple other spots, and he's a pretty cool dude. So he came pretty highly recommended, so I wanted to give his stuff a shot and see what it is. That's awesome. There's A+ right there. So after I open this guy up, which I'm pretty sure, I saw a picture of it, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna like it, he's gonna make the mat. Oh yeah. So check this guy out. Let me zoom in on it. Look at that. That is awesome. That is just, that's phenomenal. That is just beautiful. Got the Microtech emblem there. You got the Stormtrooper bead. And like I was saying, I don't have the one it's going on out here right now, but I do have the Sith Lord out here. So let's see if it fits. Oh yeah, as long as I got something to kind of poke it through there a little bit, it's gonna go through there with ease. Oh yeah, awesome. I am really excited about that. Very nice. Very cool bead, lanyard, everything. Awesome. Highly recommend that. Wicked Knots. Awesome. All right, let's pop the next box open. Holy smokes, we're 5 minutes into this guy. So this is a package from Olight. Olight keeps throwing flash sales up and I keep jumping at them. All right. So I bought another I1R EOS, the mini rechargeable keychain flashlights. If you don't have one of these, if you haven't tried one, give it a shot. It's awesome. I carry this light practically every day. I gotta charge it every 2 or 3 days with light use. It's phenomenal. As you can see, it's a high of 130 lumens, and it's a very durable. I put it through the washer, the dryer on accident several times now, actually 3 times, but it's an awesome light. For under $20, it's tough to beat, and it's USB rechargeable. It's awesome. Got a card from Olight. Yeah, they didn't throw me anything this time. No sticker, nothing. Usually I get a sticker or a cleaning cloth or something. For whatever reason, this was in here. So I got a AAA battery instead of a sticker or whatever. So what I did do is I bought this guy, the i3T EOS Copper Edition. I wanted to, they've done a couple of these limited edition runs, and I wanted to see what it was all about, see what was going on. They did like S1A baton and a few other ones I don't really remember, but like I said, I just wanted to see what it was all about, see if it would even be something that kind of interested me. This was a flash sale, so I wanted to check it out. That plastic out of here. Comes in a nicer box than the other one. The regular i3T EOS is, shoot, I'm sorry, I'm still zoomed in here. Oh yeah, that thing's beautiful. That's cool. Get it out of the package here. It's all vacuum sealed. Sage putting in some work during this unpackaging. Not even gonna put the blade away. Get rid of that stuff. Yeah, that's pretty cool. They are individually serialized with a date. Well, not a date, but a year. And a nice bronze pocket clip, bronze tail switch. Imagine it's got, yep, there we go. Maybe that's what my my AAA battery was for. There you go. Thought I might need an extra battery. I don't know. But yeah, it's a cool light. You can see it's very bright. Let's see. Let's get a little don't guess this one's got any details on it. I'm trying to remember. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly what kind of... Yeah, I'm not going to get into all this. I don't remember exactly how many lumens this is. And I don't have all the details or anything. All I can do is kind of tell you it's kind of heavy, and it's a pretty neat little light. But yeah, I did get another one, obviously, so I add that to my pile. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I've got a few things in the mix and in the mill here, and trying to think about doing another giveaway here for too long. Like to see that sub count jump a little more before we do that, but with the holidays coming up, I may throw something up. I've got a few Olights here, so we'll see. But as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much all I got for you guys tonight, and I'll talk at you later.